know it's springtime and we're doing our spring cleaning. Now, my coffee station, or where my coffee cups are, it's a hot mess. So I wanted to get that straight. That was something that's been on my to-do list, to straighten up these coffee mugs. So let's show you how that turned, how it looks, and then we're going to get to work. Okay, here are all the coffee cups. I have the pumpkin ones. I have some bees. Right here, I have the red ones. I have these tan ones of my husband's, the purple ones, the green ones from the Grinch. I have the pumpkin ones there. I have this clear one here. These red ones that came with play sets that my husband loves. The Christmas set here. Back there are some white pumpkin ones. Here are some sage green ones. The clear ones here, and that's a fall cup. That's a teacup that someone gifted me. So all this here has to go back in up there. Now I left those there because that's where they stay, and those stay there. But I have to arrange all of these that you see here. I have to arrange these to fit in the cabinet where it looks better than it was, because I want to try to put the Christmas and the fall up top and then work my way down with the colors and try to get it organized. Now this shelf here, I am going to reorganize that. Some of that stuff I can throw away. I'm going to put what I do is when I change my canisters for the season, I take the copper ones and put them in here. So I want to make sure I keep the room for them in here and keep this organized. But this whole thing has to be fixed. It was just too much, and it was difficult to find things. Well, it wasn't difficult, it was just too much. And I want to organize it a little better than I had it. So I'm going to start from the bottom on this side and work and finish that shelf there. And then we'll go with the Christmas and the fall and all of those. Now here, this row here is for every day. This here are the cups that come with the plates my husband purchased. He loves those plates, so yeah. Now this up here, the clear ones are for every day or for my decor when I use them decorate my coffee station. That shelf is definitely decor, seasonal. This one is as well bees and spring and Valentine's over here. Up top you see the pumpkins for Thanksgiving. Then you see those pumpkins for Thanksgiving, and then the green ones up there for the Christmas trees. So I think I got it organized pretty well in here. Now, as you know, these always go down here, but I do have some canisters that I'm going to be using for Easter spring decor, so I have emptied these and put these in here. Now, you saw me fighting with these two big copper with the marble tops. I keep my hot cocoa in here. So that's why I want to make sure it's there, because I drink cocoa in the mornings and I want to be able to get to my hot cocoa. So I think it came out overall pretty good. It's organized. It wasn't like it was all bumbled up for me, and I knew I needed to get in there and straighten it out because I had to put those Christmas ones in there, the trees that I got this year from the Dollar Tree. I wanted to make sure I had all of those in there together so I could find my seasonal coffee cups. Now, you may say, Stephanie, you don't need any more coffee cups. You're right. I don't. But I might see some I want to do a tablescape or something with a coffee station. So who knows? Thank you so much for spending time with me today, and I hope you feel inspired to create a space both beautiful and perfectly for you without breaking the bank. Now don't forget you can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. The links are below. I'd love to connect with you there. And I'll see you here next time on Creatively Miss Me.